Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the ultimate tech gift guide under $50. So let's get started. So basically the first one is an ear tag. An ear tag is a great and useful gift for the person in your life who often misplaces their belongings. Ear tags help you find lost items through Apple's Find My app. The small tracking devices can be attached to personal items like purses, bags or keys. An ear tag is also useful for the friend or family members who travel often as they can use it to track their luggage. An ear tag is just for $24 on Amazon for one. Now the second one is Tile Pro. It is just for $24.99 on Amazon. The Tile Pro is a gift for both Android and iOS users. It essentially functions the same as an ear tag as it helps you locate the lost items. If you don't know which phone the person you are looking to get a gift for has, the Tile Pro is a good bet. Now the third one is JBL by BM. It cost you $29.95 on Amazon. These wireless earbuds come with 8 hours of playback and 24 more from the charging case. They are quite comfortable and feature a deep bass sound. Although these earbuds don't have fancy features like wireless charging or noise cancelling, they are water resistant, which makes them great for workouts. The fourth one is Goof Smart LED strip lights, which will cost you $20 on Amazon. These LED strip lights are a great way to bring color to anyone's home. They can be used to accent the edges of a room, to brighten up a TV setup, or to illuminate any other part of a home. The fifth one is Anchor 313 wireless charger stand, which will cost you only $19 on Amazon. The wireless charger stand is great for anyone who does not already have one. What's cool about a wireless charger stand as opposed to a wireless charging pad is that the stand lets you see your notifications easily. The stand also lets you charge your phone vertically or horizontally, so you can do things like watch a movie or FaceTime while charging. The sixth one is Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. It is only for $23 on Amazon. This smart hub is the perfect gift for the person in your life who has yet to embrace the world of smart home technology. The Echo Dot lets you do things like play music, check the weather, set an alarm, and control other smart home devices. Now, the seventh one is Supra's electric lighter, which is just for $9.99 on Amazon. This Supra's electric lighter is a nice gift for the person in your life who is obsessed with candles. It's also a nice tool for the friend or family member who loves to barbecue or go camping. The lighter is designed with child safety safeguards, as you have to push the safety lock switch first, then press the ignition switch. Now, the eighth and the last one is Phone So Basic Cell Phone UV Light Sanitizer Box, which is just for $19 on Amazon. A UV phone sanitizer is a great gift for anyone with a phone. Considering how dirty our phones can get after putting them on things like restaurant tables, it could to have a layer of protection against viruses and other harmful bacteria. There are some pricey ones out there, but the Phone Soap Basic is pretty great and can disinfect more than just your phone, as you can add your keys, glasses, wallet, and more. So that's it, guys. These gifts combine functionality with affordability, making them perfect for tech enthusiasts on a budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.